Hello, hello, buenos dias from San Jose, Costa Rica. I'm in the airport right now, and people are always asking me, what do you eat when you travel? And so I wanted to give you an update as I'm traveling today, what I brought with me. So for all of you vegans out there, I have my deluxe vegan salad with 3 or 4 different kinds of greens in it, red lettuce and spinach and arugula and cilantro, organic beets, carrots and radishes, avocado, pepita seeds, and bee pollen. Sorry, vegans. I also brought my really deluxe vinegar, which is a cranberry pear white vinaigrette with organic olive oil. And because I woke up at 2:30 in the morning and had to drive 3.5 hours to be here, I have organic chocolate that I made. I have lavender with elderberry powder in it and red reishi and a bunch of other yummy herbs. And I have an orange Mayan spice with cordyceps and turkey tail and maca and tons of yumminess. So a little pick me up when I get tired. In case I get really desperate for protein, I've got a gluten-free turkey stick, and for my husband we also made some organic lamb sausages. And people always ask me, how do you travel with Remedies? So I'm going to show you. I actually have a freezer pack. It's frozen. It's in there. And I have my hydroxycobalamin, which is B12 for some injections with patients as I'm traveling. I have my Procaine for neural therapy. And I have my NAD, which is for my own personal use. It's an amazing antioxidant. So these are some of the things I'm traveling with. I did have tea, but I had to consume it all before I got to the security. So I did end up buying water because in this particular airport they don't have filtered water available. So I have my spring water here, and these are my goodies for today. I'm traveling for about 16 hours, so I feel like I have plenty of food and water. So even if a flight gets delayed, I'm not going to be stuck eating processed airport food. So I think we have some other snacks. I feel like we have one other. Greg has a little power bar thing he brought, and oh, this is Greg's favorite. We have some gluten-free bread that is moderate to low carb with vegan butter. So it's like a butter sandwich just in case you get desperate. Greg will take that on his flight. All right. So that's it. That's a little travel food, airport food update. I meet tons of people that don't come to an airport with any snacks. And health is a priority, especially in these interesting times of COVID. And so keeping your immune system strong means having great snacks with you, healthy options, so that you don't get hungry and you don't have to turn to processed airport food and sugar and crap. So be well, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.